If you're looking for a designer handbag that is below $2,000, I would say that's one of the best options out there. Like, that's amazing. So if you're not feeling like, wearing a crossbody, like, this looks good too. That's why it took me a while to find a purse that I like. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Julia. I'm based in sunny Los Angeles. And if you want to see more content like this one, don't forget to subscribe and let's get into it. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this amazing bag. This is the YSL Saint Laurent mini Nolita bag in color Blanc Vintage, and I honestly just adore this color. It's also available in black, but the black is a lot more shiny than this one, so that's why I chose this one. I honestly was looking for a more like bright, more like summer bag. I already have a black Celine belt bag, which I love, and if you haven't seen the video, I'm gonna link it down below. But I was looking for another high-end designer brand bag that I would be able to wear with some other outfits, because even though black is very versatile, it doesn't really go with everything. So that's why I decided to purchase this bag. And since you already saw the unboxing in the first part of this video, I'm just gonna go over all the features, pros and cons, and if this bag is for you, if it's worth purchasing. So this bag currently retails at $1,450 plus tax, so it's almost like, for me at least, so I paid like almost $1,600, which I would say it's a quite good price for this bag because the quality is just incredible. Like, you can see the details, like it's beautiful. It's made out of lambskin, soft lambskin, which I know that for some people it might be a concern because it's definitely a lot more prone to scratches than some other leathers, like my Celine belt bag. It's made out of leather that is a lot more durable than a soft lambskin, but it's, it's very different, and like, I love to just touch this bag because it's so incredibly soft, and I'm hoping it's gonna still be in the same condition for a long time. I'm planning to really take care of it. So the only thing I obviously will have to keep in mind is that because it's a lighter bag, this side may get colored. Like, there will be some color transfer from like my pants and stuff like that, so something to keep in mind. Usually what I do, I just use a baby wipe to take it off. Avoid using any like harsh chemicals because this is a very sensitive, delicate leather. So just something to keep in mind, that if you decide to buy a bag in this color, there might be some color transfer from your clothing. It mostly happens when you wear denim, so just something to keep in mind. Like, a lot of clothes that I'm planning to wear with this bag are not prone to color transfers, so I think I'm gonna be good. This bag is visually stunning. Like, I just love the way it looks. The quality is incredible. It smells so beautiful. Like, there's all these little details, like you can see even on the clip here, like there it says Saint Laurent Paris. Beautiful. There are some details here too, and yeah, it's such a beautiful bag. I also love that the interior of this bag is made out of, I believe it's like cotton. Some of the bags, like for example my belt bag and my Saint Laurent tote, are made out of suede, and suede attracts a lot of dirt, so this is just much easier to clean and take care of. So I love that. And there is also a little pocket inside. It's not too big, but like, you can fit some credit cards, your ID, maybe like, some small stuff. But it's pretty, like, it fits a lot of stuff, surprisingly, even though it's such a small little purse. Like, look at the size. It's much smaller than my belt bag, yet it fits a lot because it's a little wider than some of the other small bags, and that's why I decided to buy this one instead of some of the other similarly priced high-end designer bags, obviously. So I really like that. Even though it doesn't look bulky, it doesn't look big, it still fits a lot. And another feature of this mini Nolita bag is the versatility. As you can see, it's a pretty timeless design. So I'm planning to wear this with casual outfits, but with also some nice dresses going out. That's what I love about this bag, is that it's just so versatile and it honestly looks good with any outfit. So if you're planning to like wear it out for like an event with a dress, like it's gonna look amazing. Or if you just wanna like wear it casually, like, you know, as the crossbody bag, it still looks good. Like it doesn't look weird. So that's something I really like. And another thing is that you can wear it again multiple ways. You can wear it as a crossbody, you can pull the strap here, and you can wear like that. Like that's amazing. So if you're not feeling like, you know, wearing it crossbody, like this looks good too. So I love the versatility, and I love that it has this leather strap here, because like especially in the hot weather, like you don't want to feel a chain on your like bare arms. So I love that it has this leather strap here, so it's just a lot more comfortable. And another thing is how incredibly light this bag is. Like I have some other bags and, you know, they're much heavier, and I honestly don't like it. I love to just have a small purse that I can fit my necessities, my ID, my credit cards, my phone, a lip balm and stuff like that. And I don't want it to weigh a ton, especially if I'm going out. Like I don't really like to carry a lot of stuff and a lot of heavy stuff. So this is incredible because it's insanely light. Like it's the lightest bag that I ever owned. And considering that it's just so high quality and like all those finishes are so amazing, yet it's still light. Like I love that. Like all the other purses that I had with chains, they were much heavier, but because this chain is so like so delicate, so small, and you get also a lot of the leather strap here, that definitely helps. I had the Rebecca Minkoff bag and that was so heavy. I hated it. So this is just so much nicer. So if you're looking for a versatile bag that you can wear day and night, you know, casually for shopping or to an event or a party, this is it. And I love that it's so light, so it's not gonna bother you, and you can wear it so many different ways too. But let's talk about cons. This bag is small, as you can see. Like I said, for me it's a good thing, but unfortunately it may not be for everyone. So for example, I can barely fit my iPhone 14 Pro inside of this bag, and like, let me show you, like it fits, but you're not gonna be able to fit anything bigger than that. So I would say that's not an option for majority of people who have, for example, an iPhone Pro Max. Like that phone not gonna fit inside of this purse. So I would say that's one of the biggest cons. Like I wish maybe this bag was just slightly bigger, like, you know, maybe the sides were a little wider so it could accommodate just a lot more items. Like, because when I stuff it, honestly it doesn't look stuffed, which is a good thing. Some purses, like if you fill it out, it doesn't look good. This you can't really tell, so it's nice, but I just wish it was slightly bigger. And another con, I wish the chain was slightly longer. So when I put it crossbody, honestly, like it's alright, but I just wish it was just slightly longer, or at least had adjustable strap like my Celine belt bag. Like I can make it shorter or longer, and I love that. Unfortunately, this bag doesn't come with that flexibility. So you know, if like for example, like if you have big breasts, like this bag will be sitting kind of high up, so it might not be for everyone. I personally would prefer if the strap would just be a little longer, like 1 inch or 2 inches. I would say it would be perfect. One of the pros is that it is available online. You don't have to go to the store to buy it. I bought this bag on Saks Fifth Avenue website, so it's insanely accessible, and it came to me like within 2 days. It was insane, very fast. So I didn't have to like go to the store. I didn't have to deal with buying it locally. And a part of the size, like I don't really see a lot of like cons. Like for this price point, I couldn't find anything else that would look as good. and just be so versatile. Like some of the purses like were made out of weird fabric, and like they wouldn't go with, you know, all the outfits I wanted it to go. Like I'm planning to wear this purse to friends' weddings, so it couldn't be, you know, too casual, but also I don't want something too fancy that I won't be able to wear like every day if I go shopping. Like I don't want something that would look weird. So the Versatility definitely made me purchase this. I love how this bag looks, and I love how easy it is to like access. There's no like zippers to deal with. It looks so high quality, and it's so easy to use on everyday basis pretty much. So if you are looking for a designer handbag that is below $2,000, I would say that's one of the best options out there. I did a ton of research because I'm not one of those people who like keep buying designer items. Like I literally have two, like three if you count one of the other purses that I bought for $500, but I don't really have a lot of designer items. I love the quality, I love how long they last, but I don't like to spend a ton of money on clothes and bags. I just like to be very minimal when it comes to my closet choices. So I want something that will last me years, and I don't want to buy a ton of different bags. I don't want to buy something that I will put in the closet and then never use. So that's why it took me a while to find a purse that I like. So yeah, these are the reasons why I bought this bag. And let me know if you have any questions. I always try to answer you all in the comments. Also check out the link in the description. It's gonna be an affiliate link, so if you make a purchase using it, I make a percentage out of it, so that helps out my channel, and hopefully it will also allow me to make more this kind of videos, because like I said, I don't really like to spend a lot of money on bags. But if I make some money from these videos, then I will have more motivation to look for other good deals out there for designer handbags and make more videos like this one. So that's that for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.